how you need to ride and what we need to do and hand signals and everything so that and undu full enku meenda sir ಮೇರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಉಳ್ಳೇರು ಒಂದೆಟ್ಟು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಡ ಕಲರ್. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I am at Pai Sales Suzuki, and we are going to go for a ride which is up till Maravante, and we'll be covering the entire event for these guys, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We've got good amount of riders from across Mangalore, and people also joining in Udupi as well, so it'll be a lot of fun with good riders and also riding the 250 SF. I will see you guys right after this intro video, and let's start this video.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. The moment that was stopped, the first thing we thought is we'll have a ride out. And what makes today special is it's one of the longest rides we are going from. And we have Dixon Club Udupi joining us at Manipal. And we have a very special two of us with us today. One is Mr. Girish Sheth from Weekend on Wheels. Girish,
Hi. Good morning, guys.
Introduction, Kishan.
ಈ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅವಳು ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ.
And we also have Mr. Guru Prasad,
ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Okay, so we are going to brief very little on safety purpose, how you need to ride and what we need to do and hand signals and everything, so that everyone who is part of this ride enjoys the ride, at the same time know what's the signal. So very basic thing, please wear your riding gears. So helmet is a must. If you have a riding jacket, riding pants, we do a formation, so make sure you don't tail anybody. So we want a parallel formation. So if the first bike is here, the second bike will be here. This is purely because if the first bike breaks any time, you don't go and ram into it. You have enough space to go straight and then brake, or you want to do whatever. So always. So let's start this ride. So we have the management team from Pai Sales Suzuki supporting everyone, and all the riders are set for this Sunday ride. Here's the flag off for the day by Pai Sales Suzuki, and the entire management of Pai Sales as well as Suzuki representative are going to flag off and start this ride, and this ride is going to go all the way up till Maravante. And yes, everybody is left. I am going to sweep and also marshal this ride. So we will join now the entire pack. Hope to have a good ride. And I have Aryan, who's going to help us with drone today. And then we have Kishan as well, who will be doing photography. And say go. Ready? Let's join the pack now. So here's the gang. So I've just joined the gang, and what we are going to do is we are heading towards Suratkal, and we have a couple of people joining at Suratkal, if I'm not wrong. That's what I have been informed. And from there we will next go to meet Sachin. That's a surprise. Shutterbox Film Sachin Shetty. So he's going to join, and most of them have no clue that Sachin is going to be the special guest and joining this ride, which is at Coffee Day Kapu. And from there is our next location, which is Manipal Inn. So this is the itinerary so far for the day, and all the boys are riding very well. Everybody is disciplined. That's the best part of it. What's up? ಅಲ್ಪ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಇರುಂಟು ಕೊಂಚೂರು ಸೆಷನ್ ಆಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅದ ಇರು We are at Kapu Coffee Day and that's the fleet. That's the bikes from Suzuki and we have the V-Storm 650 and as well as Booza.
Udupi is the king. Udupi
YouTube is the king. And yeah, that's his, the mighty Booza.
How are the photos?
So after a quick interaction with Sachin Shetty at Coffee Day Kapu, now we are heading towards our next destination, which is Manipalin for breakfast. And all of them just interacted with Sachin and it was a good time. And thank you Sachin for accepting the invite and joining us and making this a fun-filled ride. So our breakfast stop at Manipalin and the entire gang has just stopped here for some good breakfast and it was much needed. And Team Suzuki and undu full tettidiku and all the riders of Suzuki SF and also the Naked, that is Gixxer 250 SF and the Naked. Boys doing good. And this is the breakfast setup at Manipalin. And that's the team. Meenija.
Meeniji.
Ireg. That's what it is. You're happy with the menu?
Super happy.
And now we are setting off from Manipalin towards Maravante, and next stop is going to be Maravante. And here we are at Maravante. This place looks beautiful and the entire group is right behind me, and I will get the drone set to cover them right away. and this has been a very successful, brilliant ride. Good support from all the riders and also from Pi Sales Mangalore. And it is time for us now to move from here to our next location, which is our lunch break or the lunch point. So we are heading towards Kundapur. So there is this place called Nandini in Kundapur where the lunch has been arranged by Pi Sales Suzuki. And Sachin has made a move from here. He's not joining us for lunch, but then yes, he's joined us all the way till Maravante. And we had loads of fun, good get together. So let's see what we have to do after the lunch. So there is one more stop after our lunch, which would be Sri Vinayaka Motors Suzuki showroom in Kundapur. We'll visit that, and from there back to Mangalore. Satisfying lunch at Nandini in Kundapur, and the whole gang is just having good time. And thank you Pi Sales, very well organized ride. Vana senjitene
Super.
Itte ride man pirawa
Awe tatu amnalla.
en kolladu mul mancha konda mule jappoli nana achpadu yav nindre bartada bai jada yavati ಉಡುಪಿದಾಗಲೇ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತು ಮೂಲೆ ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ಲೋ ಈಗ ಕೈತಲೆ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯ ಬಂಜರಣ್ಣ ರೈಡ್ ಮನ್ ಪೇರ ಆವತ್ತ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಇತ್ರ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರು ಎಂಕವೂ ಏನೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೂಲ್ವಿ ನಿಂದೆ ಇಂಚನೆ ಏಸಿಡ್ ಅದು ಚಾಯ್ಜಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲೆ ಕೊಡೆ ಮೇರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಉಳ್ಳೇರು ಒಂದೆಟ್ಟು ಒಂಜಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಡ ಕಲರ್ ಇಂತ ಮಾಂಡ ಓ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಂಡ ರೀಲ್ ಆಂಡ ಅಚ್ಚಾ ಮೆಕ್ಲು ಉಡುಪಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಪೂರ ಉಡುಪಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ ನಾನು ಒಂಚೂರು ಕೊಡ್ತುಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಿದಾಡೋ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಜನ ಯಾವತ್ತೆ. And after that heavy lunch at Nandini Kundapur, it's time to go to our next location, which is the Suzuki showroom in Kundapur, which is called as Sri Vinayaka Motors, and we'll visit there, and that's going to be the last stop, and next we will stop only in Mangalore. And finally from Kundapur we are heading towards Mangalore, and this is Sri Vinayaka Motors Suzuki showroom in Kundapur. And with this we call an end to this video. We had loads of fun the entire day, had loads of stops, and we met Sachin, we did a lot of things, and that's it. That's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a wonderful day, and that's it. Bye bye guys.